Area is a measurement of the space inside a shape. The area of a rectangle is base times height, and in the last video we saw that the area of a parallelogram is also base times height. Now let's look at another shape, a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with sides that are all the same length. It's a bit like a square that has been pushed over. So we can find its area in the same way that we find the area of a parallelogram, by multiplying the base and the height. But there is also another way we could calculate the area of a rhombus. If we draw diagonal lines through the center of the rhombus, joining the corners, then we create 4 right-angled triangles. So we can cut this rhombus into 4 triangles. By turning over these triangles, we can add the area of each triangle to the shape. In this way, we can make a rectangle that has twice the area of our rhombus. So if we could find the area of this rectangle, then the area of the rhombus would be half of that area. The area of a rectangle is length times width, and here the length is the same size as one of the diagonals, and the width is the same as the other diagonal. So by multiplying the lengths of the 2 diagonals of the rhombus, we get the area of this rectangle. We can then halve that area to find the area of the rhombus. For example, this rhombus has one diagonal that is 26 centimeters long, and the other diagonal is 14.75 centimeters. So the area will be half times 26 times 14.75. This works out to give us the area of the rhombus is 191.75 square centimeters. Now let's try another shape, a kite. A kite is similar to a rhombus, but not all the sides are the same size. There are 2 pairs of equal sides that are next to each other. So these 2 sides are the same length, and so are these 2 sides. Can we use the same technique to find the area of a kite? If we cut down the diagonals, we end up with 4 right-angled triangles again. But these right-angled triangles are different sizes. If we turn them over and trace them, we can see it still makes a rectangle. And the area of this rectangle will be twice as big as the area of the kite. The length of the rectangle is the same size as this diagonal, and the width of the rectangle is the same length as the other diagonal. So we can use the same method to find the area. Multiply the diagonals and then halve the product. So for this kite, the first diagonal is 20 centimeters long and the second diagonal is 12.5 centimeters long. So the area is half times 20 times 12.5, which is 125 square centimeters. So the area of a rhombus can be found in the same way as a parallelogram, by multiplying base times height, or in the same way as a kite, by multiplying the diagonal lengths together and then dividing the result by 2.